lifted. And then if you want to continue the journey down, maybe you do, crown of the head. At some point reaching maybe towards the earth, press into the knife edge of the back foot. Breathe deep here, inhale in. To come out of the pose, exhale, ground through that back heel, outer edge of that back foot. Keep the left inner thigh engaged and rise up strong. Yeah, baby. Right toes turn in, left toes stay turned in. So we come back to this standing wide-legged. And then check it out. Don't release your arms yet. I know they're talking to you. Inhale in. Exhale, release the fingertips left to right. Star pose. Should feel awesome. Thumbs go up. We inhale. Big X shape here. So X marks the spot here as you spread back foot and releasing the crown towards the ground. Lift up from the pelvic floor here. You got this. Big breath in. Then use the power of that back leg to rise up strong, bold, calm, and in control. Right away into the next beat. Left toes turn in. Feel the blood flow opposite direction. Right toes turn out. Front knee over front ankle. Find that Uddiyana Bandha here, that support for the lower back. And then when you're ready, inhale, lift the heart, find length. And exhale, bowing towards the front left corner of your mat. And then maybe we pause here. Don't cheat here. Don't cheat yourself. You got this. Find support from within. You don't need to dump weight into that right thigh, but keep